In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front bumper on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. We're going to take this bolt off from underneath. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. Get on there. Take that off. And you can just loosen these up if you want to. You don't have to. Just use the 15mm socket. It might just make it easier for when you're putting it on. Then this is loose. I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's loose. Take this trim piece off. I'm just going to unfold it from the side. It's just clipped in. And then using a trim tool, just get underneath here, just pop it out. We're going to pop it forward. Just pop this out. Just move right along. It comes out. I'm just going to squeeze the tabs from the inside if you're having trouble. You can see the little tabs. If you just squeeze these from the inside, it helps slide them out a little bit, but you still got to pry them out. Sometimes they just break off. A couple of those broke off. That's okay. Remove this cover. Take out the push pins, just use a trim tool. And slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, take this bolt out. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, right here, we're just going to turn this lock just a half turn or a quarter turn. And then there's one down here as well. On the sides, I'm just going to use a trim tool to help and just grab this piece and just pop it forward. Do the same on the other side. All right, pop that out. It would help if you had an assistant, but slide that grill off. Take this light off. There's a little tab right here. Push it in, and then it slides back, and this slides right out. See where you push down right there. We'll just take the bulbs out. We'll just twist the sockets out. Just push down on the tab, twist those out. Twist that out. And we'll take the other side out as well. Same way. Using a 15mm socket on both sides, you're going to take these nuts off. Take these two bolts out on the sides, use an 18mm socket. And using an 18mm socket, take these two bolts out. There's one here and one on the other side. Take both of those out. Now I'm just going to grab the bumper and just slide the top part back. This bumper is bent, so it's a little tighter than it should be. we go. We're going to take this trim piece off. There's some push pins. You want to take those off. Just use a trim tool. Pop the center out. And just pop this piece out. Might have to use a couple trim tools. This pops out. Do the same with the other ones. And that will come off. Set that piece aside. Now we're going to take these clips out. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just squeeze these. You should be able to get these to come out pretty easy. We're going to transfer those to the new one. So do the same on the other ones. You could even use your pry tool. Using a 15mm socket, take this bracket off. There's 2 bolts right here. Take this one off. Grab the bracket, slide it out. The bracket over here we're going to take off. We already took the nuts off the top. I'm just going to take the bolt off the bottom. Slide that out. Same on this side. These 2 J-nuts, just slide these off. Just use a pry tool, pry it off. Take this bracket, line that up, get the bolt in, get started. This can twist a little bit. Snug that down. Just know you may have to loosen this up. You might have to adjust this once it's in the vehicle. Same with this side. You might have to loosen that up. I'm going to take the bracket, line this up, just tap it in place with a hammer. There's one. And tighten these down. And push these tabs in and just lock them down. And lock these all in. Put these J-nuts on. Go like that. Just like that. And take the push pins, get those lined up. Before I lock those down, I'm just going to get them lined up first. Going from the center outwards. All right, that's good. You can start pushing these down. and lock it down. Now let's get it back on the truck. Take the bumper, I'll just slide it in place. That lines up nice. And get the bolts in, get those started. 2 up top first. And the 2 bottom ones. And get those started down below. Now tighten these down. I'm going to torque these 4 bolts to 63 foot-pounds. Take the nuts, put those on, tighten those down. Now I'm going to torque these to 41 foot-pounds. Put these lights in. Just put the sockets in and twist. Lock that in. Do the same on the other side. Lock it down, take the grill, and line that up. Get the sides lined up and push those in. Should lock down. There we go. And using the Phillips head screwdriver, tighten these down, or just spin them a 1/4 turn. I'll slide this piece over, get that lined up. And then you want to, once it's lined up, just push it on. All right, fold that over, looks good. And we'll do the same on the other side. And put the bolts in the side brackets. Get those started. I'll tighten those down. And tighten these down. I'll put this bolt in, get that started, snug that down, take this panel, line that up, and take all the push pins, get those started, lock them down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.